Here's what's making news on Roadshow. Ford's got a new Escape, and it looks, well, a little weird. The Blue Oval's newly revamped compact crossover SUV borrows the face of the Focus we're not gonna get, slaps a 250 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder behind it, and, if you shell out a little extra, add some hybrid tech. The old Escape was a really popular model, but the new version launches into a segment that's more crowded than ever. How do you guys think it'll fare? Hyundai is toying around with the idea of replacing your steering wheel buttons with screens in a new design study, and you know what? We kinda like it. If you ignore the fact that the Concept steering wheel looks like it belongs in an East German delivery van. With these configurable touchscreens, you could swap your cruise control and stereo functions from side to side, or add other functions. The trick will be integrating this tech with mandated airbags. Tesla got into a bit of trouble back in 2017 with the EPA over allegations that it wasn't properly handling its hazardous waste at its Fremont, California factory. Fast forward 2 years, and we've learned that the Big T has settled with the EPA and has to pay a $33,000 fine and purchase $55,000 worth of firefighting equipment for the Fremont FD. This is in addition to all the internal policy changes and additional training for employees that Tesla has had to enact, but looks like the company is now in compliance, and that's awesome. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you tomorrow.